today. A Nebraska WoodSTR. The blizzard has come and gone. It's been fun. Open cab tractor, 22 inches of snow, lots of pushing, and we still got firewood to do. All right, let's get it. Hey WoodSTRs, my name is Pissed Off, Frustrated, and Cold. You can see here, we're gonna try and keep this in. We are approaching the high of the day of -1. So this is up top here, and some of the mountains of snow that we pushed around 3 or 4 times. Here's my driveway that will be a complete disaster this spring because there won't be 1 stitch of rock or gravel left on it. But as you can see, everything gets pushed down the hill, and then we find ourselves some runways in order to kind of hide it. So, end of the driveway, huge piles. Did help out the neighbors here a couple, well, through this whole thing too. So this is their piles that I made outside of their driveway, and we got one more right here. Help do a little bit of pushing down there as well. So a couple, 2-3 neighbors, and then also help down here as well. Get a few of these guys pushed out. And on this one up here, all I did was help get it away from the door so he could do some pushing with a pickup and a bucket. So get turned around here so we can make a run at the wood yard. But you're probably wondering, what the hell am I doing at -1 as a high in firewood? Well, I've got a full cord, if not a little bit more, going to be going out here in a couple of days, and we're going to take advantage of the weekend here and get this. Well, it's my full 14-foot dump trailer that needs to be filled up, loosely thrown, keeping full. So I'm going to try and get that out of the snowbank. You'll see that I've gotten the wood yard pushed out a couple of times, and yeah, we've got snow in places that we shouldn't have snow, and I tell you, the next inch or 2 is going to feel like 10 inches coming in. So anyway, I got maybe one other delivery or pickup today. I'm not quite sure. You can see my runways here are starting to fill up. And only push one way, either up or down. You can see right in through here, it did get about 20 inches. If I would have left it just fill in, it'd have been about 20 inches deep. So not that all exciting, but hopefully as I'm flipping this around, you can kind of see the program I've got going here. All right, well, there's what we got going. We're gonna back up to this thing, see if it's froze down, see if it's got enough juice in the battery. I think yesterday was -43 wind chill. Spent about 6 hours on an open cab tractor. Pretty exhilarating, fun stuff there. But we're gonna try and see at that kind of temperatures if there's any juice left in this battery. Just to get it down. So, all right, let's try this. We won't be doing a lot of filming from outside because this camera equipment will freeze up solid in, I would say, less than 3 minutes, but we'll give it a try. Here we go. Oh, I forgot to mention, if you have to be out in temperatures like this, if you do not have ski goggles, get a pair. If you have 1 pair, get 3. Them things have been an absolute lifesaver. Keeps the wind and the snow that's blowing out of your eyeballs, and keeps a whole pile of your face covered up and not exposed to the wind. So, all right, like I said, get a pair. All right, let's see if this thing works. suck. Well, if you didn't hear that, I said this is gonna suck. Crap. Well, everything you do, you gotta fight. From now until the time this snow is gone, sometime in, my guess, April, as big as some of these piles. And we're only not even halfway through January, so that's what we get for being smart and saying how short this summer is going to be, because now it's going to be long. All right, we're going to try and scoop this out. Nope, actually we're going to try and hook it up and make sure that I can get it to move before I spend all that time. Well, there's a couple of things I didn't like this cold. The jack, the battery, well, of course, me. And I will tell you, me scooping this is going to be so much not fun. Oh, that'll be fun. Looks like about an inch of ice right there. So not only are we just scooping, but we're going to be fighting it as well. Brutal. All right, only one way this gets done. Start. Yep, called it, nailed it, 100%. That sucked. Some of you are going to be like, hey, why didn't you just raise it up? Then you went ahead to shovel it all the way up. All right. Well, I was pretty much correct. Negative whatever degrees equals about 3 minutes. Phone freezes up and she done. So anyway, finished loading up that trailer. We're gonna do some quick measurings on it. I've done it before, but I can't remember what the hell it was. So we're gonna remeasure that, and then we will get Mama WoodSTR's phone back to her, because she wasn't overly excited that I was taking this to the wood yard and see if I can't freeze it up as well. So take you along with me, show you what I got shaking. Let's see if we can't get freaking stuck here. Snow is hard. Like I said, it got down to negative 22, feels like negative 41 the other day. So she, everything that was on the ground got ridiculously hard. So if you're out there trying to bust drifts and have fun just hammering drifts, you're gonna end up through the windshield. So, but all right, let's see. Ooh. About a damn thing of beauty right there. Sexy. All right, I'm gonna go out and do some measuring. I think I'll leave this thing running in here so we don't freeze her. Up. Don't want to go too far without gloves and exposed skin. Get a little western in a hurry. "21 inches, 7 foot wide, 14 long. I'm gonna go measure the pile real quick where I was at. Bring you along. Whew. The old sun is going down and she is getting cold in a hurry. Well, pretty much took, you can see right here, from right there all the way to the end. So I'm going to measure this up too, just to put a second tape to what I think I got here. So let me measure that up quick. 23 feet. So, well, very good. We're about running out of some light here, so didn't get to see me loading that trailer. We'll figure out what it was. I'll put it down right below here, what it ended up being for how many cords. It took me 42 minutes to load that by myself in 0-degree weather. Actually, exactly 0 degrees. So, anyway, firewood business doesn't stop just because you have wind chill warnings. Just what you do. All right, you guys know the program. Like, subscribe, and share. See you on the flip side.